Everyone, I have a very serious warning to every single person that owns XRP, Bitcoin, any crypto, any NFT. It starts January 1st, and it is going to affect every single person because it's based on everything you did, whether you purchased, sold, or even moved any cryptocurrency on any blockchain in 2025. And that is a new form that's coming out. It's called a 1099 DA, and it is very serious because all of these major exchanges are going to issue them, and they are not accurate. I want to tell you that right now, okay? You're going to want to learn how to use specialized software to be able to track your movements, because even as far as Coinbase, Gemini, Crypto.com, Binance is concerned, right? If you took any crypto from an exchange and you put it onto a cold storage, it's going to count it as a sale. And if you had bought it at, let's say, a certain price, and you transferred it when the price was higher, it's going to show as a gain. That is not a joke. It's going to cost a lot of people money. A lot of people are going to be freaking out when they go and check their taxes. So here we go. Here's the information. A Form 1099 DA is a new IRS form for reporting digital asset transactions, including cryptocurrency, stablecoins, and NFTs. Another thing that people need to understand is most CPAs, enrolled agents, definitely H&R Block and those softwares, know absolutely nothing about crypto. A lot of them, I was talking with a CPA the other day, and I said, hey, are you cool with me just handing you whatever Coinbase says I made or lost? And they go, yep, absolutely. As long as it's a third party, it's good. Here's the problem. Those forms are so messed up because the way that the software on these exchanges calculate these gains and losses, it's in their best interest to make it to where it looks like you made more than you did, because that helps the IRS. This is a real big conspiracy theory, but I'm going to be honest with you. My documentation from Coinbase this year shows that I made 3 times more than I made. Okay. I about pissed my pants when I saw that. All right. So I'm in the middle of doing all my stuff and uploading it into my software that I use to get all of this straightened out, and changing certain things to transfers, changing them, so they're not counted as a sale, all this kind of stuff. So here's some details right here about the Form 1099 DA. The purpose of the form is designed to help the IRS ensure tax compliance for digital asset activities and align global digital assets reporting with traditional financial asset reporting frameworks. Now, I know there's a couple people that have got some screws loose that are going to comment down below things like, well, show me where Congress says we have to pay taxes. Those people are just complete morons, all right? That's just literally, the IRS has already stated that they view crypto as property, so you have to pay tax on it as such. Okay, don't listen to morons. If you just listen to morons, you become a moron. Hey, type 1 if you agree with that. If you listen to fools or argue with fools, you end up becoming the fool. It says here, who issues this? Centralized crypto exchanges, trading platforms, hosted wallet providers, and payment processors, defined as quote-unquote brokers by the IRS, are required to issue this form.